Good times.
So where should this go?
Or on that side. On the so you spiral your way up. So if you can move to your right, I think the bottom's really uneven, so you might want to just flip the block and use this side as the bottom.
Okay.
Just a thought.
That's better.
Yeah. So you get your bottom, and you have this big wedge here that you don't want. So you start shaping that so the two faces are totally flush. Yeah, basically. I'm gonna get some rum. Knock knock.
Yeah, come on in.
Ah, cool.
This is absolutely great to announce in a blizzard with the frickin' internet.
Oh, this is not too bad.
Yep.
How's it going? That is a humongous vestibule.
Yep.
That's great.
Yep. Exactly made for this kind of activity.
Yeah, yeah.
Here's a little bit lighter one.
Would a blizzard stand an igloo, 100k igloos, alright?
Oh, easy. Once an igloo freezes, I mean, you'll literally be able to walk on top of this. Like we've cramponed up it with 2 tools.
Really?
It's,
I suppose it's a good thing too. All blizzard's going to do is put more snow on it, which is going to help it reinforce it.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's quite a little structure we've got here.
Can you hold your hand with the other your hand and just do the same thing with mine?
Sure.
It's on. Thank you.
There you go.
I'll get you a seat. GoPro to GoPro.
I think there's moisture in my housing.
Oh.
So how long did this take us, guys?
About 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Epic time.
Sleeps too.
Yep. Knocked it out.
Awesome.
Yeah, too comfortably.
Just chuck your pack in the doorway.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Very cool. Oh, this is very, very cool, I think.